We will now show how to remove and replace the toner container. Open the top cover. Press this blue button with a down arrow stamped on it to release the toner cartridge. Grab the unlocked cartridge at these points and remove it from the printer. Open the box containing the replacement toner and remove it from the sealed bag. Shake the toner cartridge back and forth at least 5 times. Remove this plastic protection cover from the toner cartridge as shown. Be careful not to touch this area of the cartridge. Hold the new toner cartridge at these points and align the guides on both the right and left sides with these slots in the printer. Press the levers on both sides of the cartridge until it clicks into place. Close the cover. Take the enclosed plastic disposal bag from the new cartridge box and place the old cartridge in the bag. Place the bag with the old cartridge into a shipping box and discard it following local code or regulations for waste disposal.